Hello and welcome to the market report for June 2021. I'm Jdickey, real estate agent with Old Colony, serving Huntington, Barboursville, and beyond. Today, we are going to briefly look at what's going on in the national market in terms of real estate and get some opinions on what's going to happen in the future. If you've been following real estate transactions recently, you probably already know that there's intense competition from buyers to win houses. One reason is there's simply not enough sellers at the moment. Seller traffic is weak all across America. And from the infographic up here, you'll actually see that West Virginia and Hawaii have strong seller traffic.
However, this conclusion is based on statewide information, as our local market is definitely not reflective of this.
Buyer traffic, on the other hand, is strong across the nation, which probably doesn't come as a surprise to you.
For buyers to be competitive in the offering process, a lot of the traditional contingencies and terms are typically being removed. For example, we are seeing higher earnest money being provided, home inspections may be waived altogether, buyers purchasing homes without ever seeing them in person, and they're offering well above asking price.
And I personally had a client recently that did just this, offered all cash and above asking.
And that's how my buyer ended up securing the deal.
Forecasters believe that home appreciation is going to rise sharply throughout 2021, roughly 8% if you take a look at their averages. Take a look at this quote by Bill McBride, an economic blogger focusing on real estate. If inventory increases slowly, house price will continue to rise rapidly. And if inventory increases sharply, house price growth will slow. There's no mention of the price growth reversing or even stopping. So if you're waiting for the market to cool down, be less competitive, or for home prices to drop, you may be waiting a while. A lot of people are expecting a bubble to pop and prices to plummet. But if you share this perspective with Bill, that's not the case at all. Prices will only go up, but at what rate? With these price increases, people are asking, are homes even affordable? Housing affordability is actually in very good shape compared to previous years. It takes roughly 14% of a median income to purchase a median price home. As you can see here, it would take over 20% in these comparable years. One thing to note here is that housing affordability is not affordable housing. Affordable housing typically refers to the number of houses available for purchase on the lower side of the market, whereas housing affordability is the power of the dollar relative to what the person can actually buy. Check this out. Mark Fleming, chief economist at First American, even states that housing is actually undervalued in most markets and that the gap between buying power and sale price indicates there's room for further price growth in the coming months. And speaking of affordability, despite popular belief, it's actually cheaper to purchase a home than it is to rent the same home in 2 out of 3 American counties. When you put this money into your home, you're investing in yourself and your future and not your landlord's monetary goals. I'll wrap up this video on this last quote here by Mike Lofton that I truly enjoy and believe in. He says, "Affordable home ownership is not the capstone of economic well-being, it's the cornerstone." Basically, instead of rewarding yourself for all the financial successes you've had throughout your life by purchasing a home, use that home instead to build long-term wealth for yourself. Consider at an earlier age how you can make this a reality that you can achieve. You can then use the equity and appreciation in your home to accomplish a large life goal, such as starting a business or sending a kid off to college. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that tidbit of information about the current market and about where prices are sitting and where they're projected to be. If you did like this type of content, please consider giving a like, a subscribe, or follow depending on what platform you're viewing from. Also, feel free to leave comments below on how you feel about the market and where it's going, because we love to hear your opinion as well. I hope to do a video similar to this every month, so stay tuned. As always, if you're considering buying or selling real estate, I would love to earn your business. So reach out, send me an email, or send a message through whatever platform you're on. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.